Imagine you're walking through downtown New York in 1996. Cell phones the size of brick walls, yet they're starting to weave into daily life. Suddenly, your call doesn't drop amid skyscrapers or a subway station. How? Beneath this magic is a science few notice but everyone uses: wireless communication principles. What's really powering this invisible network? And how did engineers like Theodore Rappaport crack this code to make mobile voices crystal clear? Let's crack open the backbone of wireless, cellular systems, and why your voice doesn't get lost in the air. This design revolution solved a massive puzzle with reuse and coverage. Back in the 70s, Bell Labs engineers faced a nightmare: limited frequencies for endless users. Their answer: frequency reuse, dividing cities into cells, each reusing the same set of frequencies if far enough apart. This breakthrough allowed thousands to chat without chaos, laying the cellular grid we still rely on today. Picture each cell like a neighborhood watch group. Though neighbors change, rules stay the same, cells overlap but coordinate to avoid crashing frequencies, like neighbors avoiding noise complaints. This elegant dance between signal boundaries keeps your call crisp, from Times Square to your local street corner. The payoff? When you dial, your voice hops from cell to cell seamlessly, like passing a baton in a well-trained relay race. Without this, your calls would clash or drop every time you moved. Now it's all about fluid motion with zero interference. Radio waves don't just travel straight. They bounce, fade, and get lost. Understanding how they behave in complex environments solved the mystery behind dropped calls and spotty reception. Rappaport's team charted how radio signals lose strength over distance, called path loss. Imagine shouting across a canyon. The farther your voice, the fainter it gets. They created formulas to predict this decline, helping engineers place towers just right to cover the area without dead zones. Your phone call isn't just one signal. It's a symphony of echoes bouncing off skyscrapers, cars, even your coffee cup. This multipath means your phone gets several versions of your voice at slightly different times, which can garble speech if untreated. It's like hearing the same song sung by a dozen off-tune choirs. But Rappaport's insights turned this chaos into advantage. Diversity techniques use multiple antennas or paths, so when one signal fades, another carries the tune perfectly. Suddenly, multipath isn't noise, it's backup singers ensuring your call sounds flawless. After mastering coverage and the radio jungle, engineers faced one more beast. How do hundreds talk at once without a brawl? Modulation and access techniques cracked this social code. In the early cellular days, analog modulation reigned, turning voice into continuous signals. But Rappaport spotlighted digital modulation's rise, turning voice into bits that zip faster, cleaner, resisting static and noise. It's the difference between an old radio's crackle and a crisp podcast you binge today. Multiple access lets dozens of users chat simultaneously. Imagine a party where everyone chooses different songs on headphones, frequency, talks at different times, time, or wears secret language masks, code. These strategies prevent chaos, letting wireless networks manage thousands of calls without scrambling them. Spread spectrum techniques, as Rappaport describes, are like whispering secrets in a crowded room, but using a unique language only the receiver understands. It hides signals under noise, making communication both secure and tough to jam. An early form of wireless stealth technology born long before Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Remember that NYC street, the giant brick phones and quiet calls? It's all thanks to clever reuse, signal mastery, and hidden code languages working invisibly. Next time your call stays crisp on the move, thank the cellular concept, radio science, and modulation magic. Try this. Next call, imagine your voice as a relay baton racing cell to cell. Makes you appreciate the secret dance behind simple chatter. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.